Hi, today is Monday the 28th, and this is the SPX outlook for the coming few days. As you can see on this 4-hour chart, the market has shot up tremendously since the low on, 20th of June, not that long ago. 30 points, and it's probably now aiming for the strong resistance on 42.96 to be exact, according to these calculations. This is still a upward channel type of drive, but the angle of attack or the gradient of this rise is too abrupt to be stable. Now we probably won't have any strong reversal unless we have some shock news to disturb the current balance, but at the same time the market should stall around these levels. The stall level on these dotted lines has been passed, and this is typical when the market goes very high. You can see that on the 24th it's kind of paused, and now it's going definitely for the strong resistance. I'm not plotting a high resistance for now. I believe this one will hold at least this week. In terms of potential retracement, it would probably retrace to the 4240, 4260, and a strong pivot is also a fib level on 4220. A return to those lows is not in the cards at this point. Now, if we look at the longer time frame, this is also pretty much unstable. We have here a stronger resistance on 4380. We are just reaching stall level. So what is a strong resistance on the 4-hour chart is here, just a stall level. There again, if there was no quantitative easing and really a lot of liquidities, net influx of money into the markets, I would say this is not stable. So we could have further momentum. Having said that, going back to the 4-hour chart, I believe this level will definitely pause the bull's appetite. Now finally, let's go to the 1-hour chart for today. Here we see the strong resistance here. The levels are about the same as the 4-hour chart actually, and we see here the market bounced off the 4220, that's pivot, and we knew that the market would probably be more comfortable in the upper half of the range, and now again real test level will be 4300. In terms of VIX is not so bad actually. It's bouncing off the 15 area, and it looks like, even though the SPX VIX correlation is still very strong, it has weakened a little bit, which shows this a little bit more hedging at these levels right now. Now let's go back to SPX, same levels as on the 4-hour chart. Here actually the angle of attack is not that strong, so there will be probably some technical correction coming soon, but this is not an healthy market. I checked the curtices on the SPX daily distribution. It's still pretty okay. I mean, we don't have the emergence of a pointy distribution that would generally cause the emergence of fat tails. That is not visible at this point. So this is a crazy bull market, and there's nothing we can do except going with the flow as usual. So for today, if the market pauses and retraces, it wouldn't go below 4265, 4270, i.e. going back to the stall level area. That said, yes, late in the week, we may see the market going back to 4220. A breakout of 4300 could destabilize the market and go for an upside shoot, but I don't see it at this point. So there will be more updates on Slack as usual. This market really requires more monitoring than usual because it's definitely a little bit disturbing for market neutral traders. But as we're going to see in the next video, the current trades are still okay. Not performing very well, but they're doing okay. Anyway, I'll see you on Slack. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.